All right. Can you see us? Can I see us? You can see us? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Homegrown.Lincoln Food 411. Today we are taste testing cheeseburgers, and with me today I have a special guest, Justin Davison with Gershman Mortgage. Welcome. How's it going today? I'm good, thanks. Do you like cheeseburgers? Awesome. I really don't know who couldn't love cheeseburgers. I'm excited. Actually, my friend Taryn doesn't like cheese, and that's kind of weird. So Taryn's the shout out for you. We're at NitroBurger today on Cornhusker Highway. It's a cute little place in the background here. Kind of looks like a 50s diner, so that's pretty cool. Here's your cheeseburger. Check it out. Check it out. All right, so we have 4 rules when we're taste testing these cheeseburgers. Do you know what any of the rules are, Justin?
I can't overcome it.
Correct.
Sauce. That's that cheese. 1 bite.
Yes, only cheese. Yep,
Oh,
yep, and then the 1 bite. So, and that's a hard one. All right, so just kind of looking at it, I notice it has not your typical hamburger bun, so that's pretty cool. The meat is a good sized patty, and I can see the cheese, so that always makes me happy. You ready to dig in? All right, 1, 2, 3. Cheesy.
good.
So what do you think about the meat? The consistency. It is different. I can't put my finger on it.
Your average hamburger.
It's not. Which maybe that's their thing, their way of standing out. Yeah, I can't really describe it, but it's a healthy burger. It's a lot of bun for me, but it's, like I said, it's not your average hamburger bun, so that's kind of cool. It's kind of got flour on it and stuff, so kind of like a bakery feel to it. So, a lot of cheese. I like that. All right, you ready to rate it? All right, drum roll.
Okay. I'm gonna rate it a 6.
Okay, a 6. I'm pretty much on the same page as you. I agree with 6 completely. So, final rating is a 6.0 for NitroBurger. Thanks for being with me today, Justin. Pleasure having you. And join us next time for some more cheeseburger tasting. As always, please follow Homegrown.Lincoln on Facebook and Instagram. We have lots of fun food giveaways, local community events, all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys next time.